Just got this nature bright sunlight, bright light therapy on the recommendation of a friend. I'm going to take it apart and try it out. And timer, 15, 30, 45, 60 minutes. And a negative ion button generates negative ions. Nature bright. Here it is on. You can see how bright it is. Not very bright day out today, but it's super bright. I put it on 15 minutes and turn the negative ions on. So I'll see how I do. This is me with my Nature Bright SunTouch Plus light and ion therapy thing on. I put it on one side, put it on the other side. I turn on the negative ions. Smells like fresh, clean air from the rain. And there it goes off. So I feel good about it. I can't say that it's a huge, big difference in my life, but I do find myself wanting to turn it on, which tells me something. It's nice and bright and wakes me up like the sun, but it's not exactly like the sun. And I do like it. I've been turning it on almost every day, 15 minutes on one side and 15 minutes on the other side. And I like it a lot better than the LED type that I had before. I'm convinced that LED light will make you sick, and it's very bad for you in many ways. So, the Nature Bright SunTouch Plus light with ion therapy. I like it. Get yours today. I don't make any money off this and anything else that I recommend on my channel. Have a good day.